It fell. Where should I put it? Right here? Yeah. There. That's so cool. How high can it go? Oh shit. Oh no. Yeah. Oh. Hold on. Okay. Oh, okay.
Is that back wing bent yet?
No.
Triangle thing that bends in half. You gotta hook out a computer. Yeah.
How good's the quality on it? Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Seriously. You want to see that?
It'll cut your skin in half.
Hey, something wrong with it. Something.
Yeah, you're 40 feet in the air. Oh, stop.
What? Sorry.
Oh my god! That would have cut my neck in half. The propeller's all cracked again. Then on top of the shed.
There we go.
The propeller,
Door.
the propeller's all crappy again.